Hello students, so in this video I will discuss about how to draw the hexagonal prism, base size 25 and height is 50 mm. So I will be drawing a hexagon first with 25 mm edge. Yes, so I have drawn this 25 mm edge. Now you can check it. Yes, I will be drawing hexagon with a circle method. Yes, go to the center, you can draw the circle. Okay, now you can simply mark these edges with the same compass. Yes, then you can join these cuts. It will be 6 times. Now you can join this edges. Okay, so this is it will be a regular hexagon. Yes, so this is a regular hexagon. Now I will make the outside rectangle. Draw the vertical and the horizontal lines outside. Yes. Okay, so now this is complete. Outside rectangle is okay. Now I'll be drawing its isometric. Before that, you can also name it as say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Outside the rectangle is A, B, C, and D. Yes, now I'll be making the isometric. So again, draw any suitable reference line. So this is reference line. You can mark any point A on this. Okay, then you have to draw two 30-degree lines both sides of this. So I measured this 30 degree one side and 30 degree on the other side. Now what you have to do is you can take this distances AB from here only on this isometric. Okay, AB and AD you can take it from here, whatever it comes, no need to measure, simply take it the compass. Yes, so it will be a rectangle, and then in the isometric it will be a parallelogram. Now you can join this. Now you can join this. Okay, now you have to find out the points. You can mark it A, B, C, D. Find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2 lies between A and B. You can check 2 lies between A and B. So it is 2. Similarly, 5 will be lying in here between C and D. Yes. Then A6 and A1 you can get. A6, 6 and 2, 6 and 4 will be opposite. B4 you can check it from here and draw it here, and then D1 you can mark it here, and C3. Okay, now you have marked it. you will mark this. So after marking, you need to join this. So similarly, you can mark this. I have marked this points. Now I'll be making it. First, you have to make it thin lines. Always draw thin lines. Otherwise, sometimes you have to erase these lines as well. You can join these points. Okay, so this is hexagonal. Yes, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. Okay, now you have to take the height. So height is 50, it is given. You need to draw 50 mm vertical lines throughout these 6 points. So I'll be drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 50. Okay, similarly from this edge, I'm drawing the vertical edges only. From here 50, I'm taking 50, and from all the edges you can draw 50 mm height. Yes, now you can join this top edges. Yes, I'll be joining this top edges. I'll be joining this top of these edges. So upper hexagon will be visible. Yes, throughout. Yes, so again I am joining this. Yes, so all the edges I have joined. Now you can make it thick lines. Yes, whichever portion is visible you can make it thick. So this will be thick. This is already thick. Okay, this is also thick line. So this is thick. This is also thick. Because this will be visible, whatever is visible you have to make it thick. This line will be also thick. Okay. Yes, now it is complete. Now this one is complete. You can erase any unnecessary lines now. Now I have erased these unnecessary lines, hidden lines will not be there. Now I'll be doing the dimensioning. So I have done the dimensioning, you can check. So as per the aligned system. So I hope you got it. Hexagonal prism, isometric view of the hexagonal prism. Thank you very much.